How to private your Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can make your Facebook account private, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Before we learn to make our Facebook account private, there is a very significant thing that I want you to understand, and that is that Facebook doesn't have a single button, just unlike Instagram and TikTok, where with one toggle you can simply switch from private to public account. That's not how it works on Facebook. On Facebook, how it works is that you have to review each of the privacy settings manually, such as who can send you friend request, who can see your photos, who can see your friends list, and so on, etc. wise. So to get started, all we have to do is just launch the Facebook application, then just come to the menu icon from the bottom right. For iPhone and for Android, you just tap on the top right icon, then just scroll down and then go to the option called settings and privacy. Then you simply want to go to the option called privacy shortcuts. So once you come to privacy shortcuts over here, you'll find the option called see more privacy settings, and then as you go to privacy settings over here, you can customize all of your privacy features. So as I said earlier, Facebook doesn't have a single toggle, unlike Instagram, where you can simply tap on it and switch to a private or public account. So first of all, you can customize who can see your future posts. If you want to set it to private, you can select only me or your friends or whoever else you actually prefer. Then who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. Of course, you can set this to only me because you certainly don't want other people to see what kind of pages and people you follow. And then you want to come back over here, you can see who can see your future reels. If you want to set this to public, that's fine, but if you want to set it to private, you can absolutely do that as well. If you scroll down, you can see who can send you friend requests. This is also very important. If you want everybody on Facebook to be able to send you friend requests, you can select everyone, or else what you could do is you can just leave it to friends or whatever else you prefer. And then you can just come back and who can look you up using email address you provided. If you want people to search you by your email, you can customize that. If you want people to search you by your phone number, you can customize that as well. If you want Facebook to be able to show your profile outside of Facebook, such as in a Google search engine, then you can enable that option as well. And just look for each of this. This is not really upon me because this depends upon you as a person as to what kind of account you really want on Facebook. So hope this video answered your question as to how you can make your account private. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.